Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be reviewing my e-bike. It's a EB1C. It's good bike for adults and kids. So so it goes 20 miles an hour. Um, if you get it for a kid, like I'm 10, it's kind of hard to get on. You can see. So what I do is I kind of go like this, start off pedaling, and it has a like pedal assist, and you go this down. For maybe 10 minutes. Pedal assist, I'm not doing throttle. And then for throttle, it's like full twist throttle, which is nice. It's right here. I just turned it off, so it's like a twist throttle. Very easy turning on, turn off. And the bell's really nice. Good brakes. Yeah, and that's about it. So if you're looking for a good beginner e-bike that goes like 20 miles an hour, if you're an adult, if you're a kid, get this one. You can raise the handlebars, you can raise the seat. But yeah, so if you're looking for a beginner e-bike, I would really get this one. Very high recommended. It's very good.